Hi, and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Today is week 6 in my series on my craft room tour, where I'm sharing tips on organization and storage. Today we're talking about clear acrylic block storage. If you're a paper crafter and you do rubber stamping, you more than likely have clear mount or photopolymer stamps that require a clear block for them to adhere to in order to use. Today I've got an amazing storage idea that's very inexpensive, and we're going back to Ikea for today's tip. If you've missed any of the previous 5 videos in this tour, I have a link down in the video description below that will lead you to each of them. Let's dive in and I'll show you today's tip for acrylic block storage. I found this basket at Ikea, and I want to say that I found it in the kitchen section. You're going to see that there's little grooves here on the side, which are intended for a handle bracket to be hung from one of their rods. Ikea has it on display holding kitchen gadgets and spices, but I figured out that it was the perfect size for my clear blocks. I have one of every size in here, as well as multiples of each size. There is one additional size block. I opted to line them up horizontally, which I found is the best way for me to get optimum space. I start with the largest block on one end and I move all the way across. Now, if I wanted to move that larger block in here, I certainly could do that by pushing these forward and placing it here. The great thing about this basket is that it's a heavy-duty steel construction, so it's able to fit flat up against a wall, which gives you lots of storage space on your stamp table, doesn't take up much room. I'm going to link the product description down below, as well as the dimensions for this. This tip proves that you can provide a lot of clear block storage in a very small amount of space. If you have enjoyed today's video, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up here on YouTube. That is a like. It makes them and I both very happy. And while you're here, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos that I'll be sharing. Click the small bell icon next to that subscribe button, and you'll also receive notifications of when I'm live, as well as when I upload a new video. Thanks for joining me, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next week for the next video in this series. Have a great day.